What are you thinking about when you're meditating? The short answer is nothing. You better stop thinking. That is the recommendation. Because meditation is not creative thinking. Meditation is also not a contemplation of brainstorming idea collection and association chains and planning about your future, figuring out your past. This is not what meditation is about. Even though people can benefit and can have great ideas while meditating, and there is other approaches like the mentioned creative thinking in a contemplative mindset and in a peaceful space, and maybe even while sitting down with closed eyes. Yes, you can do creative thinking and have the best ideas of your life. I'm not denying that. But classically speaking, the practice of yogic meditation, the path of meditative awareness as it was shared by Gautama Buddha, this path is not about lots of thoughts, thinking about better this or better thinking about that, and how to figure out this problem and how to find solutions to this obstacle in my life. This is not what meditation is about. Again, it can happen on the way, and you might have a great idea, yes. But in meditation, we actually try to do the opposite. So it's not so much actually of what you should be thinking about. I cannot give you the answer, think about this or think about that, of this problem or that topic in your life. This is not what I could answer because it's not even the topic, it's not even the question. The recommendation is focus on the object of your meditation. And usually that is not even a meditation, but it is a concentration. So focus on the object of your concentration. And usually we are not even concentrating, but we are trying to concentrate on the object. What object am I talking about? This can be many things. It could be, for example, your breath. Breath awareness is an object of meditation / concentration. Becoming aware of the inhalation, exhalation. Okay, that's a very famous, widespread, and culturally, religiously neutral and therefore acceptable object. There can be other points and areas in your body, like focus your attention in the third eye, middle forehead, or between the eyebrows. Focus on your heart. So these are common areas in our body where we can bring our attention to. In the yogic tradition, those would be related to the famous chakras, these energy centers. So think about your breath, think about your chakra. Yes and no. It's not thinking about it. Oh, how beautiful it is. I wonder how it is, the heart chakra, what it is about. No, it's not about thinking about the object or the breath, trying to figure out how is the respiratory system, the biochemistry, physiology of my breath. Breath meditation is not thinking about your breath. And that could be the breath rising and falling. In the inhale and exhale, we simply observe the breath as it is, without a comment. If at all, to make it easier for our concentration, we might call it inhale, exhale. Or as they do when we bring the awareness to the abdomen in our breath, the belly is rising and falling. Okay, maybe you label that. That's a common approach in mindfulness meditation, such as Vipassana, coming from the Theravada Buddhism. Sure, maybe you give it a short label, in and out. But you're still not thinking about the breath. Maybe you put a verbal cue to make it easier for you to focus. But the project is not to figure it out and think about, but to simply be aware of. To cultivate a mindful presence in which the sensations, the phenomena, the perceptions are arising. And our job is to simply witness them, to observe them without the comments and judgments of our mind. The mind likes to go to the next level and think about how well I am doing in my meditation concentration. So I'm thinking about myself as a meditator, with the famous metaphor of the thoughts like the clouds in the sky just passing by. Your job is to, if at all, observe how the clouds are changing, passing, without getting overexcited, grabbing onto one. You simply observe the movement. Aha, they are moving. And you don't take it personal. You don't get invested and try to grasp, hold on to. Your job is to be aware of the blue sky, that silent background of pure consciousness, which gives you a stable anchor and a peaceful space wherever you're at, however loud and noisy your mind might be. You are not your thoughts. There is a thought arising and passing. There is a mind. I am not just my mind. I am much more than this. Who are you? What is the essence of your being? Don't think about it, but observe, be present with a direct experience of your existential core. Witness and be peacefully present beyond the movement of thoughts, emotions, feelings. Allow yourself to go deeper, and so much deeper, into altered states of consciousness, into the wonderlands of yogic ecstasy.